Agile model. Hi, in this lesson we would be learning about the Agile model of software development lifecycle. Let's begin. Agile model. In the Agile methodology, after every development iteration, the customer is able to see the result and understand if he is satisfied with it or he is not. One of its disadvantages is that with the absence of defined requirements, it is difficult to estimate the resources and development cost. Extreme programming is one of the practical use of the Agile model. The basis of such model consists of short weekly meetings, sprints, which are the part of the Scrum approach. Use cases for the Agile model. The user's needs change dynamically. Less price for the changes implemented because of the many iterations. Unlike the waterfall model, it requires only initial planning to start the project. The advantage and disadvantages of Agile model are in following. Advantages, disadvantages. Corrections of functional requirements are implemented into the development process to provide the competitiveness. Difficulties with measuring the final cost because of permanent changes. Project is divided by short and transparent iterations. The team should be highly professional and client-oriented. Risks are minimized thanks to the flexible change process. New requirements may conflict with the existing architecture. Fast release of the first product version with all the corrections and changes. There is possibility that the project will exceed expected time. That's all from today's lesson. See you in any coming lesson.